In this video, I will guide you step by step on how to enable dark mode in N8N. First, open your N8N instance. This could be in your browser if you are using the web version or inside the desktop application if you have installed it locally. Make sure you are logged in and can see your dashboard with your workflows. Now look at the bottom right corner of the screen. You will see your profile name and next to it there are three dots. Click on these three dots to open a small menu. From this menu, choose Settings. This will open the Settings window. Inside the Settings window, click on the Profile section. This section contains options related to your personal account and how N8N looks for you. Scroll down until you find the area called Personalization. Under this area you will see an option labeled Theme. By default, it is usually set to Light. Click on the drop-down menu next to Theme. From the list, choose Dark. The interface will immediately change, switching the bright background into a dark one while keeping the text visible and easy to read.